Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss NCERT Class 6 Science. The first chapter is Food. Friends, food is the basic element for the survival of our life. For the survival of our life, we eat something by which we may feel energetic. This energy comes from various type of ingredients what we use in our food. Friends, these ingredients are made of by following some simple process by which we get the final product. This final product we take as a food. Friends, different kinds of ingredients what we use in food are made of some sub ingredients. For example, let we have to make rice. For making the rice, what we do? We take raw rice, we wash it and we boil it with water and then we use it as food. Second example, let we have to make curry. What we do? We take some vegetables, we cut it, we put some salts, we mix some spices, some water and some other things as we prefer. Friends, the food what we use, they are made of some material and these materials are found in some sources. Then what are the sources? There are two major sources here. The first source is plant source and the second source is animal source. Plant source. Plant source means those materials which are taken from plants, they are called plant sources. For example, we have to collect grains, wheat, paddy, pulses, fruits, etc. They are the essential part of our food and they are collected from the plants. The second is animal sources. Animal sources means those materials which are taken from animals. They are called animal sources. For example, meat, milk, curd, etc. Friends, here a simple chart is given, whereas the first column is given as food item, the second is the ingredients used in that food and the third is their sources. So for example, we have to make idli. What we use as ingredients? We use rice, urad dal, salt, water and we mix it and we heat it as a preferable temperature. Then we take idli. So the source is there a plant. It means idli is made of plant sources. For example, the second is we have to make chicken curry. What we use? We take chicken, we use some spices, we use some oil and ghee and some water. So here the source is animals and plants both. The third is we have to make kheer. What we do? We take milk, rice, sugar. So the source is animal and plants both. Friends, here we will discuss which part of plant and animal are usable as product of food. Friends, in our food meal, we use different kinds of plants but not as a whole plant. In some cases, we use leaf such as palak, methi, dhania, pudina, etc. In some cases, we use the stem of plant such as sugarcane, onion stem, ginger, etc. In another cases, we use roots of the plant such as garlic, onion, carrot, radish, etc. In another cases, we use seeds of the plant such as mustard, gram, pulses, mustard, etc. Friends, some seeds are also used as food like we use gram, moong dal, etc. When we make moist moong dal or gram with water, these seeds absorb water and in the next day it becomes useful to eat. When we cover it with wet clothes and after the next day a small structure may have grown out of the seeds, they can also be used for eating purpose and they are much healthier than the previous one. Friends, honey is made of flower juice. The process is that thousands of bees collect the juice from the flower and they store it in a bubble like structure which is known as wax. After eliminating some unwanted element, we use it as a fresh honey. Friends, here we have to know that what do the animal eat? It means different kinds of animal eats different kinds of food on the basis of their characteristic or their eating behavior of foods. Friends, there are basically three categories of animal who use food in different ways. The first one is herbivorous. Herbivorous means those animals who eats grass and vegetables. They are called herbivorous. It means those animals who are not habitual to eat meat or non-veg, they are called herbivorous. For example, rabbit, goat, horse, cow, ox, etc. The second one is carnivorous. Carnivorous means those animals who are depend on the herbivorous animals. It means carnivorous animals eats the herbivorous animals. Carnivorous animals did not eat plant and vegetables. They eat only meat, and those animals who eat only meat are known as carnivorous animals. The example is lion, tiger, fox, wolf, etc. Friends, the last is omnivorous. Omnivorous means those animals who are able to eat vegetables as well as meat also. So these kinds of animals are called omnivorous. For example, human being, cat, dog, etc. Friends, here the lecture is over. I hope you like the video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.